Turn to page 394.
Have you ever imagined scaling up ice cream vending machine operations? To build an unmanned ice cream empire, Huaxin Technology, specializing in smart ice cream vending for 11 years, is the trusted choice across 33 countries worldwide. With 13 years of industry experience, we produce over 10,000 units annually, serving 33 countries globally and holding 70% of the domestic market share in China. Certified by EU-CE standards. Our core components, including the Imbraco compressor from Italy, German imported fans, and Omron sensors, ensure quality from the source. Rapid cooling achieves ice formation in 5 seconds. Energy consumption is reduced by 40%, with daily electricity costs as low as 10 kilowatt-hours. Fully automated production delivers a cup in 15 seconds. No manual labor, freeing up manpower costs. Our smart system supports remote control, one-touch cleaning, and automatic revenue sharing, making operations this simple. We are not just a supplier, we are your growth partner. Orders start from just 3 units, with access to tiered pricing and exclusive partnership benefits. From custom exteriors and multi-currency payment systems to global logistics and localized software, we offer a complete wholesale solution. Contact us today for a tailored wholesale solution. Huaxin Technology.